嗱，40萬買翻嚟，佢 depreciate 咗24萬，唔係 sorry，market value 40萬，個 loan 係24萬，equity 16萬。咁如是者佢呢個賣出咗嘅時候咧，佢買入翻去48萬。咁個 loan 佢今次係equity 係 up 咗啊嘛，由16萬去咗到23萬啊嘛，所以佢有抌錢入去啦。咁嗱 ，each party is to assume the existing loan， 大家都要嗰個 loan 咧，大家都要 assume 嘅。First must pay 7萬蚊，7萬就係16同23嘅 difference 啦，23減16咪7咯。好啦 ，to second party to balance equity，second party has 7萬 cash gain plus 1萬蚊 mortgage relief。嗱，佢個 mortgage 係由24萬變咗做25萬，咁咧，所以就個 relief 係1萬蚊 ，and may be taxable at that time。咁可能咁樣咧，有7萬蚊佢攞走咗嘅 cash， 同埋佢1萬蚊咁樣。Actual gain is the profit， 真正賺咗係賺嘅。It is calculated by subtracting the adjustable cost basis from the exchange。嗱，大家可能都唔係好明佢講乜咧，咁都唔緊要嘅。我哋做題目嗰陣時，希望再明啲。我哋主要咧就係睇晒圈咗嗰啲間嗰啲先，即係好似第7點啦。Taxable recognized gain is the profit that is taxed in the year of exchange。嗱，當喺2012年做呢個 exchange 嘅時候咧，嗰一個 gain 咧，我哋叫 recognized。原來有一個咧唔係叫 recognized 嘅。係啦，咁等陣間我哋一路睇落去咧就會揾到噶啦。嗱 ，sales leaseback 係咩嚟咧？就係話我哋有個我而家係100萬嘅屋，我俾人拎幫我賣咗俾 Helen， 但係咧呢間 commercial 咧，因為樓下有個餐館，我仲 run 緊，我就同阿 Helen 講我話嗱，我餐館未賣得，我同你租足1年啦。咁啊 Helen 就好開心啦，話喺我買咗間嘢翻嚟，你仲同我揾埋個租客，仲係你嘅，我唔怕冇租收啦咁。咁呢個咧就叫做 sales， 因為我 sell 嘛 ，lease back， 我同阿 Helen lease back 翻啦。咁有啲 tax 嘅 advantages 嘅喎，因為個 property 賣咗嘅時候，我 seller negotiate a lease from the new owner 啊嘛。咁咧最主要都係益我嘅 ，create 個 working capital from when large equity exists， 因為我咧可以有個 working capital， 將啲錢掟晒落我餐館度。但係對阿 Helen 都有用喎 ，establish a new basis for depreciation 嘅喎，因為佢咧可以有一啲嘢咧係可以有 depreciate 嘅，因為 income property 啊嘛。好啦 ，buyer would not be concerned with seller depreciation book value。咁呢個咧嗱，你睇到嗰度我答對啦。8月1號08年 buyer concern 咩嚇？我嗰陣時啊嘛嚇，咁咧我知你哋係睇唔明㗎。睇唔明唔緊要，你哋咧上網或者去翻書度再抄下，同埋後邊咧仲有好多 question， 我哋咧睇埋後邊啲 question。第4 ，seller and lessee could default all future rent as a business expense as he pay them。咁因為 seller 有陣時咧係會減翻佢自己個 rent 喺個 business expense 度嘅，因為我而家同佢 lease back 翻嘛。好啦 ，tax-free income 呢個就冇咩特別啦。咁啊 property tax， 咁頭先嗱我哋講咗 income tax。跟住講咗 income property， 而家咧就講 assessed value 100%，property tax 地稅咧佢係要打嘅，咁 personal property 有 real property 都要打稅嘅。local tax assessor 咧嗰個係政府嗰個估值個官啊，佢係決定嗰個屋係幾多錢。如果個 owner feel the property 係 over assess 咗嘅話咧，佢可以去上訴嗰度上訴。但係咧，政府公共事業、公共機構咧係自己唔可以打自己嘅稅啊嘛，唔可以話自己值1蚊噶嘛。於是咧就俾州政府，即係 state board